nanayang passport. And makauli na may Pinas, guys. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And look, guys, look what came sa mail kanina, guys. And it's already 1 a.m. right now. It's already 1, guys, and I just can't wait to open this. Bukas ko na sana to i-open, guys, but I just can't wait. And sorry about my hair kasi padulong na ko matulog, and Emery is awake right now. And you know what? Buksan ko na lang siya, dahil kasi hindi na talaga ako makahintay. Super excited ko na. By the way, ang ganda ng quality sa new phone ko. I'm using my new phone right now to vlog. Kaya nasa ubos ako ang guys, camera, kapoy na kambak. But yeah, nandito na siya, guys, ang passport ni Emery. 3 weeks. 3 weeks ba siguro? Wait, let me see. 15, 2 weeks. Ano na siya, guys, may 3 weeks na siya bukas. So it came lang si Dominic. Na si Lucy po dito. Nag-video ko lang kaya ako abrihag passport ni Emery. Sige. Yan, guys. So buksan na natin. Funny kayo, guys, kay I went to the mail night time na, guys, because I was like, feel na ko kay na-joy something, feel na ko na na-joy ni abot. So ito, dai excited kay ko, guys, and I'm so very happy for my baby. And ano, what you call this, yung green card ko wala pa siya, guys, but girl, nandito na ang passport ni Emery. Buksan na natin, guys. Daghan kay kong yaw-yaw dahil, pero for the go na. Hala, blue ang passport sa akong anak, guys. I'm so happy. Mahilak ko, B. Can I cry? I'm so happy, guys. Hello, I think I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god.
What is that?
This is Emery's passport. I'm just happy. Oh my gosh. Nahilakid ko, guys. I'm so happy for my babies. Nandito na, guys. Oh my god. I think this is my first time crying sa vlog na. I know, not my first time, but I'm so happy. Sorry, guys. I'm just so happy for my baby. Blue yung passport. Sana all. I'm just happy, guys, kay nanayang passport, and makauli na may Pinas, guys. Makita na si Dominic ni Emery. I don't know why I'm crying. I'm just so happy right now. Ito na, guys. I'm so happy, guys. Aww. Tingnan nyo, guys. Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys. Yan. It's so cute. Nice kayo, guys. Emery Blair. Oh, no, guys. 5 years, Raday, no? want, I'm actually crying. Sorry guys, I'm just so happy guys. Makakita na si Dominic, si Emily, and
I just want
sila Josephine just parted. Sila Mami, si Mama Sophie, Dominic's mom. Makakita na silang Emily guys. Dilijud lalim guys na layo ba nga na. But yeah, it's here. And makauwi na kami ng Pinas guys. I've been waiting for this for like 3 weeks and I was so excited. Like, kano sa panguling mobile. Like, everyday ko, trust me guys, everyday, almost everyday ko mo tanaw sa mail to check if nandito na ba yung passport ni Emery, and it's finally here. I'm just so happy. That's why I'm crying guys, because I'm just so happy for my baby. She's drinking milk right now. Kasi siya isa ni Mami guys.
stop
May
slurping.
nag-vlog ko, may nakahilak ko. Na.
Can I see that?
Oh, may kay pag passport man may niingon man ang nagpicture na murag smart daw ilahang system. Bahibawan daw mudawaton barde. Oh. Sana all. Oh, sino ka dyan? Blue.
Are you happy na?
No video ko, nakahilak na noon ko.
Keep the glowing.
Na, nag-video bitaw ko ron.
Oh,
Na.
are you happy?
Yes.
That's good. So, mauna-una lang na in a positive way na kasi wala pa si Emily din ha. Na naman po yung passport si Emily. Kasi si Emily.
Sana
Si
all.
Emily anytime ba yan? I-process na ang papel po horon. O, di ba na po siya passport?
Oh.
Tatanawa ko na tanawa ko.
Asa? Sana all. Tennessee, USA. Uro na yung nung.
Can I see?
Wait, be.
Naminig ka.
Ulo, nasuko. Mama ni pagpukaw niya, bag umatan. Suko.
Sana all or
Sana all. No? The United States.
wala po ninyo giana agihang naong nakno.
Wala.
Wala ba?
Okay raman daw me. May kato ganim pareha nila Michael Murag card. Murag card.
Mama na lang bagong passport ko na.
To US citizen na talaga si Madam.
Sana all.
Wala, wadyo ko kawat na excited gid ko.
Ako po, di ko gano'n gaya po rin.
United States. 5 years na dahil ni Mino.
Basta below 18. Ilang Kathleen, 5 years lang.
Mabalik na ko tawag me.
Sige na.
Yun guys. Na wait, akong kwaon sa Emery. Baby.
Can I see that?
Okay, wait, side this ha.
She just looks angry.
Yeah. Ano yun, baby? Yeah, you have a passport now? You have a passport now, love? You're gonna see daddy now. She's gonna see daddy now. She's gonna see Auntie Emily now. Auntie Emily and Dada, right? Because she's big now. You're gonna see Dada now. Are you excited to see Dada? Oh my gosh, guys. I'm excited to see Dada. Very good. Taga-vlog na lang man ni Mami B. Ma-burp ka. Ay, sus. Are you excited to see Dada? Guys, she took a nap earlier and now she's awake. Wow, you look like your dog. Yan. Yan, guys. I can't wait to see Dada. Happy kayo si Dominic. Dominic was so happy when I told him Emery's passport is here. Ano samantang uli? Gano'n samantang uli, bebe? Ano samantang uli? Look at her. I'm so happy for you, love. And sunod. Sunod. Si Ate Emily na po, no? Ate Emily will be a dual citizen. And I'm gonna make you a dual citizen too. So, yan, guys. Mana siya, guys, ha? She's a US citizen, guys. I'm so happy, guys. Nakahilak yun ko, guys. I'm just so happy. Like, so happy. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much. Salamat, Lord. Thank you, Papa God. Thank you for everything you've done to us. Thank you for all the blessings, for all the love. Thank you for taking care of us, for watching over us all the time. Thank you so much. No? Happy ka, love? Hindi siya. Happy ni siya, guys. Happy, love. Sige, kakatawa ganina. Sige, kakatawa ganina. O, karoon diling na ka mo katawa. Oh, wow. Look. She's looking at herself in the mirror. Love you. I love you so much. We're gonna show Dada, ha? Si Dominic, guys, nagkuhan pa siya na siya gipalit sa merkado. And when he comes back, I'm gonna show him Emery's passport. No? Pohon, Lala will be here, Ate Emily will be here, Dada will be here, and everyone else. Okay? Okay, love? We just have to be patient all that time. No? I remember, guys, I think 1 month pa, or weeks pa lang si Emery, I was, oh my gosh, guys, I was crying, like crying, because I miss Dominic and Emily. Miss them both. And I was just crying. I was like, I wanna go home and stuff. Weeks pa rito sa Emery, guys, kay blanto man ang bukat. Oh, I was crying. Like, hilak yun na hilak, guys. Like, I was shaking and stuff. Mura ko bawon sa to, basta kay was crying, guys. Like, I wanna go home. I was saying all that stuff. I wanna go home right now. I wanna book a ticket right now. But after pinakalma ako nila daddy and nag-patient na lang ko, guys. Wala pa, hindi pa may nagpa-passport ni Emery ato. Ayan. We have it now, love. It's here now. And we're gonna see daddy soon. Excited na ko, guys. Yeah. Ay, nakamilk.